How to unhide replies on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can unhide replies on your Twitter post. So how can you go about it? The first step is to log into your X account, then head over to your tweet with hidden replies. So to locate your tweet, just go to the top left corner of your screen, then um click on your username in order to be taken to your profile page, and on this page you'll see all of your tweets so far. So once you can see this, the next step would be for you to move to the tweet with hidden replies like I said earlier, then select the tweet. All right, let's go back and click on the three dots by the top right corner of the tweet. So by clicking on the three dots, you will see different options, which includes pin to profile, delete post, miss this conversation, view hidden replies. So click on that, and then you'll see all of your hidden replies here. For me, I don't have any hidden reply. That's why this page is empty. But for you, you'll see all of your hidden reply here. So once you've seen all of your hidden replies, click and tap the menu icon next to the hidden reply that you would like to unhide, then select unhide reply, and then this would make the previously hidden replies visible again in the conversation thread. So I hope that is clear. So this is basically how you can unhide replies on your Twitter post. Thank you for watching and have a good day.